Call for help! Call for help!
Don't go near that shit. Holy shit. That's crazy. That's crazy. Hey, you guys said call for help, bro. That's fucked up. I'm not going near that shit, bro. These guys are crazy, man.
Come back here, man! What are you doing? Shit, we spilled all over the fucking place. What happened? The gear blew up? No, the fucking guy happened.
Where's the fucking fight? Bro,
Hey!
don't go on the runway, man.
Come back, man! What the fuck are you doing? Hey, get out of there!
Collapse? No, man, this guy's going towards the runway. DB, crazy.
Get out of the thing!
Oh, well, I'm afraid to get out from this side just in case it explodes.
These guys are gonna get in trouble, man. See that shit? They told him, go away.
I thought it was gonna blow. I knew it, I knew it.
Why is Frank and Gino running over there anyway?
This
It's
guy-
not like you can get up into the fucking the cockpit anyway.
They need to get out of the fucking airplane. These guys are crazy. The other side, man. The fire's on this side. Oh,
the
they're trying
other
to get
one.
out of the way. Oh, they got the other.
Maybe they went out the back.
Hey, that was a badass response. 2 minutes flat.
Huh? You got it?
2 minutes flat, baby.
Wow, what an explosion, man.
What happened? The gear collapsed though?
I have no idea. Gino was like, yo, turn around. I'm like, what is going on? And I see a flat. I'm like, what? Good job, good job. What?
They came out and lost control.
I don't know. He was landing. And then Gino was like,
Because
yo,
it turned
look at
sideways.
this thing.
I know, because I was walking out this way. I was watching it come. It was turning, still
And these
turning
guys were
on
like,
fire.
let's go out there. Oh, crazy.
No, that's
Tank!
the tank.
Fucking
I saw the engine. The engine
Pablo,
was
that's
just
all
heat up.
fuel, man.
And these guys are going towards it. I'm like,
the
nah,
plane,
man,
the whole fucking plant was